Hello, I'm Afiz, and this is my project for System Design Second Year Business Computing at Athlone. Now, I'd like to talk to you about my tables, queries, forms, reports, and my macros. This first of all is my login form. It should be the very first thing you see when you open my database, my access form. Thanks to this auto exec, it basically goes and opens the form the very first time in the login form, login table. There. Now, I have two users basically. User 1, User 2 with a password of user of password 1 and password 2. Security level 1 and 2. Basically, what this does is, I shall show you. If the password is right and the username is right and the security level is 1, then opens the form menu. Whereas, if the password is right and the user is also right, security level is 2, then it opens the limited menu. As I shall demonstrate now. No. So, user 1, password 1. This is my main menu. I'll try to show you user 2 and password 2. This is my limited menu. My main menu, in comparison with limited menu, has a lot more. I have my forms, queries, advanced queries, reports for my queries, and reports for my forms for my reports for my queries. Sorry. Unlike the limited menu, which only has reports, and reports only for the form. Report is basically a brief description of of everything that happens in the form. Like you can see here for apartment cleaning, I have the apartment ID, cleaner ID, date cleaned, time taken, and details, and goes and shows me all the different IDs for the cleaner, the different dates, different times, and different details. And that's what basically I have here. Just reports, reports, reports. And I should close the form here. Here, I have all the tables, all the forms here. I shall open this apartment rental form and demonstrate some of it. Here, as you can see, I have the rental ID, the rental date, number of nights, number of guests, deposit paid, the apartment ID, tourist ID, and the method of payments. Here, I try making it easier for the user. I added a picture here to make it just look nicer, and also I added this the drop down menu here, so the user doesn't always have to go and input something. They don't always have to go type in. Here it just gives them an option of what they want to do. Also, I want to demonstrate some rules I put into the form. Number of guests here, I previously had 6. Say I wanted to set 8. This is validation room. It goes and tells me only I'm allowed maximum of 7. Sorry. I had entered 8, gave me that, so I have to go add something less than 7. Add 6, and it works. Here, like I was saying, I don't want the user adding in too much. Like, don't want them typing too much. So this just gives them an option. 80 there. Same with this. They don't always have to go type in. There's 70, and the check and the method payments. There's cash, there's check, there's credit card. Simple. You pick the one you want, and close itself. Also, there's a navigation. So add a new record. Simple. Go to the first record. First, go to the next record. The record. Go to the last record. See 20. The first one is 20. Sorry. The first one is 20. Last one 200. and then to close the record. That's it. Next, I'd like to show you my queries. I have four different type of queries here. Cross-tab query, delete query, normal simple query, and then an update query. Cross-tab queries, as you can see here, I have apartment ID and also year, total year. Wait, sorry, that's the year it was built. That's wrong there. Sorry, just putting that mistake there. My bad. But apartment ID, and then also tells me the year it was built, and then the special features it does have. Apartment ID was built in 1938 and has special feature of TV. Apartment ID 20, built in 1997, special feature internet points. I have others here, other type of other queries. Sorry. Apartment ID, and this one tells us all the apartments that have heating, special feature heating. Oh, sorry, not special feature. How we just heat it, which is by gas. This is by oil, and also here, this one tells us the people who paid by cash. Only cash. There is no check. There is nothing. Just cash, plain and simple. Close that now. Would I like to save? No. Would I like to save? No. Sorry. Reports. Basically a brief description of what's happening in my form. ID tells us all the ID. Apartment address tells us all the addresses. The town, Athlone, best town, sorry, best town ever, just saying. The landlord ID tells us there. The grade, special feature, number of bedrooms, heating, year it was built, and type. That's what type of apartment it is. Like there's apartment hotel, basement apartment, penthouse apartment, one bedroom apartment, three bedroom apartments. You can see there, three bedroom, and all the other types there. Close that now. And my macros, two different macros. This is the first macro I demonstrated here using this. See, if the password is right and the username is right, then, and security level is 1, sorry, then it goes and opens the menu form. Like I said, likewise with security level 2, it goes and opens the limited menu. Also, I like to just notice there, if I do have errors here, then it goes and tells me I do have errors. Like, let's say user, I make a mistake, it goes and tells me invalid username / password, which prompts me to go and type in the right one, user 1 and password 1. Goes in, all good, no error message. And this macro simply goes and tells me and makes it so when I open my database, the very first thing you see is my login form. That concludes my demonstration of my access form. Thank you very much. Thank you.